Hello everyone, in the previous video we saw how to create the snake movement, and now we are going to make the tail of the snake size as required, because it's growing indefinitely and it should only grow when eating apple. So to do that, I'm going to add a length for the snake, and here we are start with a length for the snake of maybe 10 or maybe 5. Let's start with 5, and here we have to also propagate the length of the snake. Okay, so this is not changing. But what we can do is when we are creating a new snake with a movement, we can limit the position of the snake. We are going to use the latest, we are going to take last of the length of the snake. So this for the first positions, this is going to take all the list, but then it is going to remove the initial position. As you can see, the tail is not implemented correctly, so let's fix that. For the tail, we're going to use the next direction because the current direction is none, because there is no previous position. So let's use the direction, and let's see. So for when we are moving to the right, it is correct. When we are moving to the left, we flip X, that's correct. And I think maybe it's correct already. It's similar to the tail, but the time number changes. So maybe we can simplify this. Is head, it's 4, and it's for the other cases well. Also, as you can see, this is also the same. It's also the same, but changing the tiles. So how can we fix this? Let's create an don't, and now we can, or if we are not in the head or the tail but we didn't turn, let's use the same code and let's use this and stay else, maybe like this to avoid, because first we have to check if we are in the head or the tail. So with this, I guess we can get it working like this. So the head is going to the same direction. What I did wrong? Because when we are using when we are in the tail, we are not using the direction but the end direction. Okay, so like this. Here this overlap, when it's overlapping, the clear is not working properly. Because here we are setting the last position when we want to push pop. It's set last. First is at last. Get the stack level. Remove last. Remove last. So there is no clear method, and it should, but it is not. So for now, let's use this. If the stack level is while the stack level is greater than 0, we are going to remove the latest tile, but I'm going to annotate to create a remove all or a clear method here, and we should also provide pointing overloads, maybe a pop, because there is a push, it should be a pop also. Tile stacked. So now we have the clear working properly. And now what should we do? Now we should put apples and allow the snake to eat those apples. So let's put an apple. Let's put an apple in the tile map in a fixed position. So for example, in 3, we are going to put an apple, and the apple is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12th tile is the apple. So let's use 12. And here we have the apple. And now, because it's the clear, it's removing the tile, it's also removing the apple. And now we can check. Now, when we move the snake, we can check if the snake last point, if the tile map in the head position, let's create the head method here. The head position, if the tile map snake x, y, let me create a method. Well, no, let's do that. If this is a tile, if this tile is at 12, then we are going to grow the snake. And we are going to grow the snake by changing length. The snake length plus 1. So now this is the length. And now, as you can see, it is growing. The thing is, yeah, once the clear removes the tile, this shouldn't be here. Now I'm going to stop here. In the next video we are going to use, instead of tiles, rendered tiles here, we are going to have a map with an int map and int array2, that is going to be a grid for integers, and that's going to represent our snake and our other information like walls and inputs and the like. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.